Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use charts on your Excel sheet. Okay, so you can use these charts in order to give your Excel more interactive and more attractive look in order to demonstrate your data, right, for visualization. Alright, let's see how to work with graphs and charts in the Excel datasheet. So I have this short table here, name of the employees and cells, right? So I'll use this one. I'll just select the entire table, go to insert, then click on recommended charts, and here I have some template. I can use it, and also you can use with all these options. You can play around and you can select as per your preference. Okay, so I'll go with these charts, the column one, right? So this is the default style I have. You can also customize. You can click here, you can go through all these options here, and yeah, okay, these are the options I have here. Also you can go through the setup color. This is the color set. Then also you can work with the values. You can remove these options from here. You can remove the grid lines. You can play around with all these options. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video useful. I would request you to please do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for such educational content. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy.